Be ready for the dictation. Start. An accident took place at about 7:30 p.m. on 27 May 2009 when Shrimati Jay Devi and her nephew Nitin were walking down a street in their village stop. A motor vehicle driven by Rakesh in the reverse gear hit them stop. Nitin was run over by the rear wheel of the car and died on the spot stop. Shrimati Jay Devi received multiple injuries stop. Two claim petitions were filed before the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal stop. One of them was by Shrimati Jay Devi stop. The second was by the parents of Nitin stop. The vehicle involved in the accident was registered in the name of Vijay Kumar, the first respondent. Passage. According to the first respondent, he had sold the vehicle to the second respondent on 12th July 2007 prior to the accident and had handed over possession of the vehicle together with relevant documents including the registration certificate and forms 29 and 30 for transfer of the vehicle stop. The second respondent stated before the tribunal that he sold the vehicle to the third respondent on 18th September 2008 stop. The third respondent in turn claimed before the tribunal to have sold the vehicle to the petitioner stop. The petitioner in the course of his written statement claimed that he had sold the vehicle to Mir Singh stop. The succession of transfers was put forth as a defense to the claim. Passage. By its award dated 6th October 2012, the tribunal granted compensation in the amount of rupees 10,000 to Shrimati Jay Devi and of rupees 3,75,000 on account of the death of Nitin to his parents stop. The tribunal noted that the registration certificate of the offending vehicle continued to be in the name of the first respondent stop. The tribunal held the first respondent jointly and severally liable together with the driver of the vehicle stop. The vehicle was uninsured on the date of the accident. Passage. The award of the tribunal was challenged by the first respondent in appeal before the High Court of Punjab and Haryana stop. A learned single judge of the High Court allowed the appeal on 25th January 2016 on the ground that there was no justification for the tribunal to pass an award against the registered owner when there was evidence that he had transferred the vehicle and the last admitted owner was the appellant herein stop. In the view of the High Court, the tribunal ought to have passed an award only against the appellant as the owner stop. In coming to this conclusion the High Court relied upon two decisions of this court, HDFC Bank Limited versus Reshma and Purnaya Kala Devi versus State of Assam. Passage. On behalf of the appellant, it has been submitted that the High Court has proceeded on a manifestly erroneous construction of the legal position stop. It has been urged that Section 2(30) of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 indicates that the person in whose name a motor vehicle is registered is the owner, and the only two exceptions to that principle are where such a person is a minor or where the subject vehicle is under a hire purchase agreement. Passage. The decision of this court in Purnaya Kala Devi Supra, it has been submitted that related to a situation where the offending vehicle had been requisitioned by a state government stop. Similarly, the decision in Reshma Supra dealt with a situation where the vehicle had been financed against a hypothecation agreement stop. It was in this background that this court held that the person in possession of the vehicle under a hypothecation agreement was to be treated as the owner. Full stop. Over.